When I first started teaching dance, I thought advocacy was somebody else's job. I didn't realize that nobody would be coming to my shows, nobody would be visiting my classrooms to see all of the amazing things that my students were doing and that I was planning for them unless I invited them in. And that didn't always mean through the doors, but that meant through newsletters, through social media, through pictures, through writing about them, through actually advocating. Today, I want to share how you can advance your dance program through advocacy and how one short video changed the trajectory of my dance program. My first year of teaching, I had just come right from the stage to the classroom, and I honestly didn't know how I was going to support all 180 of my students and all of the many things that they wanted to do in and out of class. But my second year, I started to get a grasp on things, and that meant bringing in the community. And so I had so many friends and colleagues in Atlanta and beyond that I needed to come in to support me and my dance program, whether that be through talkbacks, through workshops, through master classes, all of the things. And that's when I first created this video that we're about to watch.
All right, we have Katie Morris here on why she thinks having master classes and guest choreographers are important.
In the past, we've had a couple different choreographers, and it's really nice to have like a different technique and just like teaching technique even, because we kind of get used to the same teacher, and so like some things that teacher will let things slide, but like when you have someone that's new, like everyone's on their best behavior and like really tries. And then also just like different, because all the choreographers that come in, they have different backgrounds and different techniques that they're good in, so like you get exposed to more different things. And then also like you're more prepared for the dance world, because the dance world isn't one teacher and their technique, it's like everybody's.
That tiny imperfect video opened the door to bigger conversations with administrators, parents, and the community. So advocacy doesn't have to be perfect, but you do have to start somewhere. Your students are your very first advocates in your program. If they truly understand why dance education matters, then so will everyone else around them. Advocacy is storytelling. It's documenting in your classroom in real time so that others can see what you can see. So I've created a free download called Advocacy Strategies for Your Dance Program. 10 simple strategies that you can start with today. Using this resource, you can highlight strategies naturally by showcasing student success stories, building your village by inviting parents, administrators, and the community into your classroom, documenting their process with short videos and photos, starting these conversations early, not just during concert season. These aren't just to-dos. They're ways to shift how you see your role as an arts leader in your school, community, or district. So every strong program starts as a teacher who stands up and speaks out, whether that be, yes, I need a floor for my students where I don't have to hurt myself while I'm teaching them. Yes, they need resources other than a ballet bar and a mirror. Yes, they need to get out into the community to experience dance in real time, whether that be going on field trips or attending festivals and concerts. When you advocate, you build up student confidence in the community around them. Advocacy not only builds trust, it builds sustainability. Don't wait until someone asks, show them what's already happening. So if you're ready to show up and advocate for your program, I invite you to download the Advocacy Strategies Guide. It's linked below. What advocacy wins or challenges have you experienced this year? I'd love to hear in the comments. Until next time, keep moving, leading, and showing the world why dance education matters.